Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some question of not from profit organization, by which you will easily understand how to solve the questions. For that, we are going to take some question. First, we are taking the question for a special fund, and then for expense and income, and after that we are going to make one full question in which we are going to make the balance sheet, opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet, and income and expenditure account. Just I am going to start first question, question number 4, in which some information is given about the special fund and how to show this fund, how to present this fund. Just we are going to start that, because special fund, for that we are going to make the balance sheet. In that balance sheet we are going to present this special fund. Okay, some person is just reading this question and I will go to solve that question. It's the liability side. I think we will know about the liability side. So first we are going to present that special fund. Question number 4. You can see in your own book also. Okay, question number 4, please read.
Price fund on 1st April 2018, 80,000.
Price fund we are written here. Amount 80,000. Okay, beta. Then the rule is what? If any type of income you are receive relate with this price fund, so we are going to add here. We are going to add here. Then add any type of income received from price fund. What is good there? Next.
Interest on price fund investment.
Interest on price fund investment is the income. Interest on price fund investment is the income. Add here. Interest on price fund investment, that amount is 6,000. Okay. Then any other income. Next is what?
Price is given.
Price is given. That is expense. Price given is expense, and expense will less from this price fund. Less expense. Are you saying price given amount? 10,000. Okay, beta. Amount 10,000. Then next.
Price fund investment on 1st.
Price fund investment. Investment is assets. So this investment we are showing this side. Asset side. Investment amount
60,000.
that is the 60,000. Okay, beta. Amount 60,000. Okay, next.
Donations from price fund.
Donation. You are received the donation for price fund. It's like an income. So income we will writing in the price fund. Add donation amount 10,000. Okay, beta. Amount 10,000. 10,000 is given. 10,000. Then total amount 80,000, 10,000, 90,000, 96,000 less this price fund expense amount is 10,000 and donation 25,000. Okay, that donation is 25,000. Okay, that is the 25,000. Then add both 80,000, 20,000, 1 lakh, 1,05,000, 1,11,000. 1,11,000 less 10,000. 1,11,000 less 10,000. Okay, beta. 80, 20. 1 lakh, 1,05,000, 1,11,000 less 10,000, 1,01,000. Okay, 1,01,000. Answer is coming or not, beta? Just see the answer. Yes, answer is coming. 1,01,000. 1,01,000. Okay, and this side we are showing 60,000 investment. In this question, only show this all capital, all fund and investment. Only show. Not going for the totaling this. Okay, this is the way to showing any type of special fund. First we are written the fund. Okay, then add any type of income that is related with that fund, and then less any type of expense that is related with that fund, and then if investment is given, that is showing on the asset side. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Now we are going for the next question, and that question number. Question number 8 in practical question. Question number 8. Okay, beta, see this question, see that question. Then we are going to make this balance sheet or income and expenditure. Which type of information is given that question? We are going to see that information. Okay, beta. Okay. Read the question.
Subscription outstanding on
Subscription is given, it means sure and certain. We are going to make some income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. This side expenditure, this side income. Okay? Expenditure and income. Okay, read the question.
Subscription outstanding on 1/4/2016.
Okay,
60,000.
subscription outstanding is given. Before that, we are going to find the subscription of during the year. In that question, certain is given subscription during the year.
Subscription received were 6 lakhs.
Okay, subscription received 6 lakh. Then we are written here by subscription, that amount is 6 lakh. That amount is 6 lakh. Okay, by subscription 6 lakh. Then add outstanding current year. Current year. Okay, beta? Outstanding current year. That subscription received from which year? That subscription received from which year?
March 31st, 2017.
17. It means relate with the 17 is the current year, and relate with the 16 is the last year, and 18 or advance year. Just tell about the add outstanding for current year. For 17 outstanding is what? 17 outstanding. 17.
40,000.
40,000. Add, then less if advance is given. Advance is given or not? Only outstanding is given.
38,000. Subscription received in advance is 38,000.
Less subscription advance 38,000. Okay, beta? Then go for the next. If last year data is given, it's a current year, subscription advance for current year. So we are written here because add outstanding of current year less advance of current year. Okay? Then less outstanding of last year and add advance of last year. Okay? Just tell about the outstanding last year for 60.
60,000.
That amount is 60,000. Okay, beta? Then next, add advance of last year
32,000.
32,000. Just solve these things. 2,000 remaining here, and its difference less is more, and that less 6 lakh. Add 46 lakh 40,000. Add 32. It means 6 lakh 72,000. Less 69,800. Less 69,800. Okay, beta? Is like that? 6 lakh. Okay. Difference. Add 40,000 less 38,000. It means add 2,000. That amount is 6 lakh 2,000. Then here less 60,000. Add 32. It means less amount is 28,000. Less amount is 28,000. Less this amount, then what amount will come? 4, 7 and 5. 5 lakh 74,000. Answer is coming or not? 5 lakh 74,000. On this way we are going to present the outstanding or advance subscription. Outstanding or advance subscription. Okay. Then we are going to make some more question. If balance sheet is needed, if in the question balance sheet is given, then this outstanding of current year we are showing on liability side, asset side. We are showing on asset side, and advance of current year showing on the liability side. Same way, last year balance sheet outstanding of last year showing on the asset side and advance of the current last year showing on asset side. Okay, clear? Again I like to repeat this. Add outstanding of current year. If current year outstanding is given, then add less outstanding of last year. Add advance of last year, less advance of current year. Now we are going to see one full question in which we are going to make first opening balance sheet, then income and expenditure account, then balance sheet, closing balance sheet. Okay beta, that is the full question in which we are going to see this. Just question, first question of your this topic in book. I think question number 24 or 23, 13 or 14. Which question is that?
16.
16. That is the 16. Question number 16. That is first question related with this topic in which we are going to make the full question. All the things we are going to make. Start with the income expenditure account, then opening balance sheet. By that we are going to calculate capital fund, and then we are going to make closing balance sheet. Okay beta? So first we are going to start with the income and expenditure account. I think will remember you all. Before the making of income and expenditure account, I like to repeat again. When we are going to make the income and expenditure account, then we are just taking in mind we are going to make income and expenditure account by the receipts and payment. We didn't take any type of balance. Only current year amount we are taking, only revenue amount we are taking, and adjustment. And if any type of adjustment is given in the question, so then we are going to use that adjustment. Okay, now we are going to start making income and expenditure account. Okay, this side expense, this side income. Okay, so in the receipts and payment account also the two side is there. Just see in the book, in the receipts and payment account also the two side is there. That is the receipt side and payment side. This side receipts and this side payment. This side receipts and this side payment. Then for the making of this income and expenditure account, we are going to take directly expense for the payment side, all the expense only taking in mind, only current year, only related with the revenue, okay, and then all the income that is related with the revenue and for the current year. Okay beta, now we are going to start. I think well clear about that, how to make that. I am just giving one simple proforma. If this is the like a receipts and payment account and it's a income and expenditure account, so this side payment we are taking in expense side. Okay, but taking in mind, don't take any type of balance, only current year amount, revenue amount and adjustment we are using. And that side, receipt side, we are taking on income side, taking all the things, only taking in mind, don't take any type of balance, only capital, only revenue thing we are taking, current year things we are taking, expense we are taking, income we are taking, and adjustment we are utilizing adjustment. Okay beta, then I am going to start that question. Okay beta, for that someone is reading that question, you will see that question in your book and then see how to solve this question. On the time of seeing this video, please take the book in your hand, because when you are seeing that book, then we'll understand what is the question and how I will solve this question. Okay beta? Okay. Start the question.
On receipt side, to balance brought down on 1/4/2018.
Okay, balance is given. I am rightly tell this about this thing beta. Income and receipts and payment account is given, and we are going to take the receipt side on which side? Income side. But just take these four things in your mind. Only current year, don't take that balance. Only revenue income we are taking, and adjustment we are going to follow. Okay, first is given by balance. So balance we are not taking a beta because already I am telling balance we are not taking. Just ignore that balance. Okay, go for the next.
Two subscriptions.
Subscription we are taking. Subscription we are taking a beta. That's subscription. Subscription amount
46,100.
46,100. Okay, just see outside of that box or the outside of that receipts and payment account, some adjustment or some other information is given or not. Read it. Outside of that box, back side, outside. That is the receipt account outside of that box.
Subscription outstanding on 31st
Okay,
March
we are given.
2018. We are
Subscription
49.
outstanding for 18. And this receipts and payment for which year, beta? That receipts and payment for which year?
And on 31st March 2019 we have 6,000.
That subscription for which year? That receipts and payment amount?
31st March 2019.
19. It means 19 subscription is current year and 18 subscription is last year. Okay? That outstanding is given. Please repeat this again. Repeat this again.
Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2018 they are 4,500.
Okay. Last year 4,500 and current year 6,000. Last year 4,500 and current year 6,000. So add outstanding subscription current year 6,000 less outstanding subscription last year 4,500. Okay, nothing else is given.
Rent outstanding.
That is rent
of
1,000 and 1,500 is given. Okay, that is when rent will come, then we are seeing that things. Okay, beta. Here subscription thing is finished. Then add this all. The difference is 1,500. Add here 674. 47,600. Okay. Go in the receipts and payment account next. Next is what is given after the subscription?
to interest.
Interest. To buy interest because it's a income. It's the income. Buy interest amount
2,500.
2,500. Okay. Next.
To tournament fund.
Tournament fund. This tournament fund we are showing in the balance sheet, and all the expense which is related with this tournament fund we are also showing in a balance sheet. Fund and relate the fund income or expenditure, that all we are going to show in a balance sheet. Okay, clear? Okay, next.
Buy salaries.
Buy salary. That is coming on the debt side. Na? First we are talking about the receipt side. In receipt side nothing else. Finished? See the back side?
To donations.
Donation. Only donation is given. If any special donation is given, then donation we are taking in a balance sheet. But here only donation is given, na? Only donation. Or donation for any other things. Only donation. So then buy donation
6,000.
6,000. Okay, next.
To donations for building extension.
Donation for building. It's a special donation that will transfer in a balance sheet. Okay, next.
To receipts for advertisement in yearbook.
So buy advertisement amount.
5,200.
Okay, next. Anything else? No. Then go for the next side. That is the payment side. And all the payment side head we are taking on the expense side with the keeping in mind, don't take any type of balance. Okay, beta. Only revenue things, current year things, and adjustment we are taking. Okay, start with the first. First is the
Buy salaries.
there is buy salary. You have just written here to salary. No adjustment is given outside, beta. No adjustment. You see the outside. Outside means after this box, the outside this information is given. That is the needed. Okay. No information about the salary. So direct write this salary amount. Salary amount
18,200.
18,200. Then next
Buy rent.
rent. Rent amount is
15,000.
15,000, but some adjustment is given. Last year outstanding 1,000 and current year outstanding
15,000.
1,500. So add outstanding current year 1500 less outstanding last year 1000. Okay, then add 15,500. Okay beta, clear? Next,
Buy printing and stationery.
to printing and stationery. Next amount
7,300.
7,300. Anything else?
Buy expenses on charity show.
Charity show. Before that, charity fund is given, na beta. That side, the receipt side, charity fund is given or not? Charity fund is given, na?
Donation.
After donation, one fund is there, na?
Donation for building expenses.
After that,
To receive from advertisement in the
one fund you written, na? Fund. Donation fund or charity fund,
tournament fund.
tournament fund. And that is the receipt from charity.
Buy expenses and charity show.
Charity show. Expenses of charity. To charity. Expense on charity. Okay. Amount
16,100.
100. Okay. Next.
Buy a tournament expenses.
Tournament expense we are not taking here because tournament fund is given. So then that transfer in a balance sheet, tournament fund, and then less that expense. Anything else?
Buy investment purchased.
Investment purchase. It's what? It's the assets. Assets we are taking in the balance sheet. Next.
Buy furniture.
Furniture is also assets. We are taking a balance sheet. Next.
Buy balance carried on 31st day.
Balance we are not going to take. Outside. See the outside. Any depreciation is given. Outside. Outside some line is there. Any depreciation?
On 1st April 2018, the club and furniture valued 8,000 and investment value 15,000.
And then cut the depreciation. Information is given, beta, about the depreciation in that question. See in the question. Just see the last line. After depreciation, furniture by 10%. Okay. Depreciation, you have to charge the depreciation 10% is written. See the last line. See the last line written 10% depreciation. Okay beta, 10% depreciation. So then you have the furniture, old furniture. You have old furniture, value of old furniture that is given outside. See the old furniture. Old furniture value is, that old furniture value is 8,000. Okay, 1st April 8,000, and you are going to purchase one furniture of 6,000. Okay, just charge the